Oh, there's one. There's a fish. Oh, man, that's a good fish. Ooh, that is a good fish, y'all. Unless he's buried up in some grass or something. Man. I'm just sitting here thinking, is anything going to bite today with this bear? Oh, don't tell me he threw me in the grass. Oh, he might have slung me off in the grass. Lost you in the grass, son. Oh, God. No, you're still on. You got to be kidding me. I hooked you in the grass. Oh, hang on, bud. Hang on. Hang on. Why don't you look at that? Holy cow. Freaking treble hooks. That don't beat all. Wow. I'm just sitting here thinking, am I going to catch any fish with the barometric pressure rising like it is? The answer is you caught one so far, and you just barely caught that dude. Left my GoPro in the truck. I'm really struggling lately getting the GoPro gear in the right place. I have to figure out a way to sort that out. All right, first fish of the day, little fella. Thank you, buddy. There's something. There's something. Oh, dang, son. Well, you came out of there like a smallmouth. Woo. Lord have mercy, I hope you got that on camera. That joker about jumped in the kayak. You about jumped in the kayak, son. Come on. Come on over here. Lord have mercy. You was fired up, dude. Hey, I think you might be a little longer than the last one. Yeah, a little bit. Good looking bass. Thank you, buddy. You're spotting it. No? Yeah. Dang. I always get them confused. I think that's all that. Oh, thank you, buddy. Appreciate the splash. I think it's fair. I do believe it's fair. Jeez. Oh, I was looking behind me for a snake. That scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh. Was not ready for that. Okay, so we're going in for him. Oh, quality entertainment right there, folks. Quality. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I just caught a fish while I was getting my line unhooked. That is insane. That is insane. Wow. All right, buddy. Hang on. Hang on. Don't get you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got that rough tongue like a spot. Somebody done bit your fins off. Look at you, man. Appreciate you, little bud. Oh, I wasn't even trying to catch you. That's the best kind. Oh, there's one. There's one. Woo, come on, little buddy. What is it? Oh, wow. Holy cow. Big old sunfish busted my topwater frog. Would you look at, oh man, look at the colors on that, y'all. Wow, you're beautiful, buddy. Can't believe you got that in your mouth, though. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. There we go. Oh, don't thin me, don't thin me. Ooh. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Thanks, buddy. All right, YouTube, calling it a day. It's about high noon, close to it. Started right after sunrise. Slow day, caught about a fish an hour, a little less. Stuck mostly whopper plopper, Z-man frog a little bit. Caught a couple on a fluke, paddle tail fluke. Forget the color. Anyway, so a decent day, you know. Caught some nice fish. Weather's beautiful. Not bad for a Sunday. I'm gonna pack it up, head to the house. Appreciate you watching. I'll talk to you soon.